Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I've come on here today because I have a entry from Christa Neal. Thank you very much, Christa. I really appreciate this, darling. I'm going to have to cut him along here. I hope it doesn't fill up the parcel, so I don't want to cut bits off your piece of work. Very good. Okay. A pocket. A pocket. She made me a nice pocket. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It's a very good solid pocket too. And it's made with a serviette. You cover it all with a serviette and then she sewed it. Made me a pocket. Thank you. That's very nice. And here we have tags. Beautiful tags. Did you put your information somewhere? So come on, don't try and trick me. Aha, here it is, under here. Christa Neal, and she lives in New South Wales. I don't know how far away from me she is. I think it's a fair way. I don't know what that says on there. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it. Anyway, Love Aussie. Well, she's Love Aussie road trips, and we meet people of all walks of life and make new friends as we go along. So I think she does travel a fair bit on road trips. She loves to repurpose things, and she loves pre-loved horses. And now junk journals, both are very addictive, they are. And she is Second Chance Creations by Christa, and that is her YouTube channel. And this is a playing card that she has changed to be a tag for me, and I like the way that you put this on here. This is a really good idea, isn't it? Yeah, really good idea. And then she's put some serviette and some doily, some lace and some flowers and some little buttons, and a sign says "You are beautiful." And then there's this other one that she's made too. Look at this. This is pretty. Wow. Handmade by Christa. And she's made me this really nice one with a little girl on there and a bit of a tape measure. And these things I think she's used out of magazines by the look of it, these bits. And that's really good because I really like repurposing things like that. I really do. You can make some really good stuff by using anything. You don't have to really use all these, everything that's new and you know, that costs a bit of money if you haven't got the money to buy the pictures and the papers and things. Well, it's good to repurpose anyway, whether you got the money or not. It is good to repurpose stuff. So thank you very much, Christa. That is really, really nice, and I do love the pocket that you sent me. And it can be look at this, it's going to be a pocket with this side here and this side here. Look at that. Because she's made it so it can be two-sided pocket. She made a little back stitch there, and then you can put it in either end. Look at that. Very nice. Thank you very much, Christa. I really appreciate you entering in my challenge, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.